Hello everyone, very good morning to all of you. Do you want a simple and powerful way to improve your fitness, boost your energy and calm your mind without any equipment? Stay with me as I guide you through 12 magical steps of Surya Namaskar, which is ultimate solution for your wellness journey and for your happiness.
Stand tall with feet together. Bring your palms together at your chest in a prayer position. Focus on your breath and connect with your body. Inhale deeply. Stretch your arms up and arc your back slightly. Engage your core and thin your spine. Exhale and bend forward from your hips. Try to touch your hands to the floor or feet while keeping your knees straight. Next, inhale, step your right leg back and place your right knee on the floor. Keep your left knee bent at 90 degree and look upward. Exhale, lift your hips upward, forming an inverted V shape. Stretch your back and press your heels toward the mat. Lower your body to the floor, touching your chin, chest, hands, knees, and toes. Keep your hips slightly lifted and elbows close to your body. Again, inhale, slide forward and lift your chest up. Keep your elbows slightly bent and shoulders relaxed. Exhale, lift your hips upward, forming an inverted V shape. Stretch your back and press your heels toward the mat. Relax. Next, inhale, step your right foot forward between your hands. Look upward and stretch your chest forward. Exhale, bring your left foot forward and fold your body over your legs. Try to touch your hands to the floor or feet. Next, inhale, rise up. Stretch your arms overhead and arc back slightly. Exhale, return to a standing position with palm joined at your chest. आपका दिन शुभ हो और सूर्य की तरह आपका जीवन भी चमकता रहे. Good luck.
Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Stay happy, stay blessed, stay healthy, and stay calm. Remember, the key to success is consistency. Let's meet again with more amazing yoga tips. Till then, take care and keep practicing. Bye bye. Have a nice day.